Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Father's Day, whatever day you're watching this. And if you're not a father, you're a single parent like I am to my fur babies, happy whatever day to you, because we all deserve a great day. And Walgreens has some really good deals going on. This week I have a spend 40 get $9 in Walgreens cash. There are plenty of new deals this week. There are a couple of repeats that are still relatively good. There is a printable breakdown just in case you do want to take it with you to the store. And there's a subscribe button down below if you're not currently subscribed. I'd love to have you as part of my channel. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. I just want to start off by saying Walgreens had me fooled for a brief second. I saw these. I thought they were hang tags because I didn't see them last week. And they're just little flyers for the deodorant. That's poopy. We have a super hot deal on Nivea body wash. This week they're on promotion for buy 3 get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. You'll grab your 3 favorite scents, or grab all 3 of your favorite scents. You know what I mean. Your total will be $15 for all 3. We have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $11 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for buying 3, making them $6 for all 3. We have a really good deal this week, but it's only on Old Spice. You cannot grab the Olay. But they're on promotion for buy 3, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $8. You'll grab your 3 favorite scents. Maybe you like the Captain. I've actually never smelled most of these. But anyway, grabbing 3 of them will be $24. We do have a $6 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $18 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying 3, making them $13 for all 3. We have our pretty normal deal on Axe body wash. They're on promotion for buy 1 get 1 50% off. There's no rewards coming back, so you can do this online if you want to use a promo code and everything. But they're $5.99, so grabbing 1 at full price, 1 at 50% off will be $8.98. We do have a $5 digital coupon, so it will make them just $3.98 for both. So this is the second week of Walgreens spend 15 get $5 in register rewards. So here are some of the new deals with the new coupons this week. So to start off strong, you can grab the Head and Shoulders products. They're $8.99. They're full price. We have a $4 only for you digital coupon, or you can grab the Head and Shoulders Bare products. These are also buy 1 get 1 50% off. And we have a $6 only for you digital coupon for these. Now you can grab these Miley products. They are buy 1 get 1 50% off. We have a $3 off of 1 digital coupon, and the cheapest product is this Eggshell for $7.99. You can grab the Native Hair Care. They're $10.99. There is a $5 only for you digital coupon I got today. Tresemme Hair Care is on promotion for buy 1 get 1 50% off. You'll grab 2 of those for $11.23. We do have a $4 digital coupon for these. You can grab the Garnier Fructis products. They're on sale for $4.49. Grab 2 of them for $8.98. And there's a $3 digital coupon for these. Or you can grab the whole blondes for $4.99. So grabbing 2 of them will be $9.98. And there's a separate $3 digital coupon. So for example, you can grab these 3 products and your total will be $17.97. We have that $3 digital coupon for the Garnier and then the $4 digital coupon for the Head and Shoulders. So you'll be left to pay $10.97 at the register. We'll get the $5 register reward for spending $15, making them $5.97 for both. Or the way I'm going to be doing this deal is to grab these 2 Head and Shoulder products. Since they're buy 1 get 1 50% off, this one will be the 50% off item since it is cheaper. So our total will be $16.48. Remember, we have a $6 digital coupon and a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $6.48 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for spending $15. Make them $1.48 for both. This week, select Colgate products are on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $6. So you're going to come grab one of these Colgate 360 toothbrushes for your first product. Your second product will be a Colgate toothpaste, one of your favorite ones that's on sale for $6 and part of this promotion. Grabbing these 2 products, for example, your total will be $12. We have a $3 digital coupon for the toothbrush and a $3 digital coupon for the toothpaste. You'll be left to pay $6, but we'll get the $5 register reward for buying 2, make these $1 here for both. So there's a really good deal with a couple of small items that we usually get as part of the buy 4 get $5 register reward, but there's no register reward this week, but there's high value coupons. So there's 4 coupons that I found, but one of them double attaches, so I'm not sure if it would come off. But the first product you can grab is one of these Downy Rinse and Refresh. They're $4.99. There's a $2.50 digital coupon, making this $2.49. Or you can grab the Downy Calm. I think this is the one that has the double attaching coupons, if I remember correctly, but it will make them $2.49. Or you can grab the Downy Light for the $2.49 price. Or you can come grab one of the Tide Pods that are $4.99, and there's a $2.50 digital coupon, making these $2.49. This is a perfect little filler item if you're so close to hitting your spend booster for the week. Just throw one of these deals in there. And my store just rearranged the whole aisle. I came over here like expecting to look kind of here, and I'm like, whoa, that's not where it usually is. Okay, there's another deal that's not bad. It's on game products. They're on sale 3 for $10. So I'll make them like $3.33 each. And you can mix and match, grab your 3 favorite ones. There's no digital coupons needed. But so it's on the Gain Flings or the Gain Liquids. My store's like, the Gain is kind of all over the place, so I'm not a big fan of how this kind of looks, but not my job, so whatever. But anyway, you'll grab your 3 favorite Gain items, even if it's just 3 of the packs of flings, and your total will be just $10. Arm & Hammer products are on promotion 3 for $7.49, which makes them about $2.50 each. Now, I would wait if you don't desperately need this product now, because we do, and we normally can get it cheaper. This week's select Gain, Downy, and Bounce items are on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $9.99. So you can grab something like these Gain Flings, or you can grab one of the Gain Liquids. You can also grab the Bounce dryer sheets. You can grab the Downy Calm or the regular Downy softener, or the Gain fabric softener. For example, these would be 2 products you could grab. Your total will be $19.98. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Gain Liquid and a $2 digital coupon for the Gain Flings. Plus, there's $2 digital coupons for almost anything I mentioned. You'll be left to pay $15.98 at the register. Plus, we'll get a $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $10.98 for both. This week's select Snuggle products and all products are on promotion for buy 2, get $2 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $3.99. So you can come grab something like the Snuggle softener. You can grab the Snuggle dryer sheets, or you can grab the all 80 count dryer sheets, but you can see my store is sold out. But the best way to do this deal is to grab one of the boxes of all dryer sheets and one of the boxes of the Snuggle dryer sheets. Grabbing both of those, your total will be $7.98. We do have a $1 digital coupon, so that means you'll be left to pay $6.98 at the register. But then you'll take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta, where we have 25 cents on the Snuggle dryer sheets and 50 cents on the all dryer sheets. That means after the $2 register reward for buying 2, makes them just $4.23 for both boxes. A great deal on Angel Soft. They're not tagged at my store, but they're on promotion for buy 3, get $3 in register rewards, and they're on sale 2 for $9. So you'll grab a total of 3 of them for $13.50. We do have a $1.50 off of 3 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $12 at the register. We'll get the $3 register reward for buying 3, making them $9 for all 3. I'm not surprised my store is sold out of this product from last week, but it's on the Puffs 4 count of tissues. They're on sale for $6.99, and this week I did get a $3 digital coupon that's only for you, making one of these $3.99 if your store has it in stock. This deal is kind of a repeat from last week. They're on the Charmin and Bounty. They're on promotion for buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $12.99. So you can grab either of the 9 equals 6 of the Charmin. Then if your store has any left, you can grab the 6 equals 12 Bounty, the double rolls. That's on sale for $12.99. Grabbing at least one of the Charmin and then the second product, whatever you prefer, your total will be $25.98. For the Charmin, we do have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $20.98 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $16.98 for both. So this week for Soda Deals, we have Pepsi products are buy two, get two free. So you grab a total of 4 of them for $23.98. Or the Dr. Pepper and A&W products are on promotion, 3 for $15.99. Coke products all the way down there are buy two, get one free. So you'll grab 3 of them for $23.98. Alright guys, so this is everything I'm going to grab today. I'm going to do the Old Spice and the Colgate in a separate promotion so I can roll $20 in Walgreens cash. So I should roughly pay $1 out of pocket, and then everything else will total me about $40.50. After all digital coupons, I should be paying about $21.50, but I do have 2 register rewards that I got last week that I plan on using today. So let's go check out. Alright, we're back in from checkout, and like I said, I did 2 separate transactions. So my first one, I just did the Old Spice and the Colgate. Now, there's a reason why I did this deal. But anyway, the Old Spice and then the 2 Colgates, and for digital coupons, we have the $6 for the Old Spice and then the 2 $3 for the Colgates. My subtotal was $24. I did roll $20 in Walgreens cash, so I only swiped my card for about $4. Okay, so this is my second receipt like I showed you guys. So we have the 50% off for the cheaper Head & Shoulder item, then 50% off for the Axe body wash, then everything else was full price. I did use a $4 and a $5 register reward from last week. I did get them on the paper products. Just to FYI, usually register rewards, even though it says on your next purchase of blah blah blah, they will scan for anything. So we have a $6 digital coupon that was for the Head & Shoulders Bear. Then the $5 digital coupon for the Axe body wash. I've blanked for a second. We have one $4 digital coupon that was for the Head & Shoulders, and then one $4 digital coupon that was for the Nivea Men. That's what it was. The Nivea body wash. So my subtotal that I swiped my card for was $12.46. I did earn the $9 in Walgreens cash for spending $40. Then for rewards for my first transaction, I was a little nervous because last week in my first transaction, one of these printed out, right? Like a flyer. And then in my second transaction, I purchased said flyer out of the blue, and the register reward didn't print, so I was nervous. So my first transaction, I did receive the $5 register reward for buying 3 of the Old Spice body wash, and then a $5 register reward for buying 2 Colgate. I then submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. I got 1,500 Fetch points, so roughly $1.50. And then for my second transaction, I did receive the $5 register reward. It is a store register reward for spending $15 on the hair care. And then I did receive the $5 registry reward for buying 3 of the Nivea products. So then for this receipt, I did submit to Fetch for 14,000 Fetch points. They had a double points on points offer for spend 50 on select PG products. I never finished that deal, so I needed $21 still left. So grabbing the Head & Shoulders by itself was not enough, so that's why I grabbed the Old Spice body wash too, so I knew for sure I would hit it. So cash cost out of pocket for my for everything was 20, I forget now. It was $16.46 for both receipts. After submitting to both Fetch for both receipts, it makes everything about $1.46 for all items, which is super amazing. Plus, I still have the register rewards to use for next week and the extra Walgreens cash that I did earn this week that I can use next week. But anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.